A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all brother and sister. Let's start today video analysis and update on Bitcoin and altcoins. So yesterday I have not made any video because the market was going very well. But after a good jump, the Bitcoin dumped hardly, and we see a lot of our coins that was closed in break even. So today, as I have to start working in 2 hours, then I make now the video and upload it for guiding on all our opening trades on altcoins. So let's start with the BTC dominance. So BTC dominance is see here, that is the wick that it has done yesterday, and as you can see, the price on Bitcoin, the direction on Bitcoin dominance is downtrend, but this is just as tricky move that make always Bitcoin, and here I am sure lot of trades are liquidated. So now as per Ichimoku, you can see it has start on daily and downtrend, and if today candle close under the yellow line, then we are sure that the price can go down till 50% or here 51%, and that means a lot of altcoin can fly in this range. And now we are near on the weekend. It can be so that on the weekend we find that Bitcoin go to sideways, and on weekend the altcoin fly, and we can see with this retracement and then up or from here down, because the cloud is very thick. That's why I think we have to watch tomorrow or Sunday, where what the Bitcoin dominance do, downtrend or just retest and goes up. So at the moment Bitcoin dominance is in very good direction. Let's check also in 4-hour time frame is stable downtrend. So we can hold our altcoin trades, because I think on the weekend it make a huge jump. But today is a very important day, because today is 10 November, and SEC has the last day to give up reply to all that companies that have applied for ATF. I think today SEC does not reply, because they do the last time the same thing. They don't reply on Friday but on Monday. When was the case of Gary Gensler, that's GBTC. But if come this news out, there can be a huge volatility like this what is happened here, what is here happened, can be something like this. So be prepared for this news today, and if does not come today, then we can open a lot of altcoin trades again at the evening after 6 o'clock. I will update it on Telegram, because I am on work. So please join me on my Telegram group. There you find all the latest updates. And now we go further with our analysis. So let's watch on Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin. Bitcoins make a huge jump yesterday. You can see it touched almost 38,000, and we are still stable uptrend. There is no downtrend or bearish move or something, because as you can see, this candle this week we have also here we have also here the same candle is here now. So that's just the tricky move and nothing other. They have to close or trigger the all leverage and all future um, trades. So that's why comes always this movement. And I think a lot of trade on Bitcoin and altcoin are liquidated yesterday. So that's why I say always, please use just spot trading, not future or margin, because here you can lose here or here a whole your wallet. So we are safe because we do spot trading. Even in some coins we close just on break even, but it's nothing better closing on break even and not trading more than you were be liquidated. So at the moment we are again in this blue vertical area, and we are now one and two till Sunday we have this. So till Sunday, if the price does not dump or today, then we stay again bullish till where I will update this next time cycle on my Telegram group inshallah later. So what we have to watch today, the price 35412. This is a by the way, in last video I forget to update this. What is this critical point? Now I show on my chart every day to be sure where we are on the Bitcoin movement. This line, if that day the price close under this line, that means the price can from there can start the retracement. So till now we are a long way we are far away from here. So cloud is thick, and we are in very good uptrend on the Bitcoin. So nothing to worry. Just this news can affect the price at the moment. Otherwise we are very good stable uptrend, and I am sure that we soon touch our 40k that we opened a lot of days before. And from here then we can retrace a bit, because last time we don't retest this level, and we are from many days we are in uptrend. So price have to retrace a bit and this point can be the point of a reverse or retracement, and from here then start the altcoin again flying. So at the moment we are in 36,615 and we are in good healthy move. The next one, and the next movement we can see on 4 hour, and 4 hour, as you can see the price, I said yesterday in my group when the price was here, just wait the 4 hour candle close and then we can decide. And you can see here the price close upper than yellow line, and that can be just a retest. We have done here. You can see we have done here we was under this line, but the price is still in uptrend. Even here in 4 hour we are in a bullish move. So we have already retested this area. You can see here this was just retest and then back again, and now we are in a healthy uptrend, so nothing to worry. On 1 hour time frame we see here a bit movement. Just here was a death cross, but 1 hour time frame, as I said, is not affidable, is not trustable. So this is Bitcoin. let's check now our all other coins. So wow, the Ethereum, that's show that we have started the altcoin season. Now we have to check and open. If today nothing happened, then we open a lot of altcoin trades. Because why I said this because you can see we was in range with Ethereum from long away from here. We was in range in Ethereum from May 2022. So above 1 year, Ethereum was in range. What it has done, it crossed this area and then up again, and now again the same movement, but this time we have, yeah, okay, here was also, but we have a lot of volume here. So this breakout, it can be a valid breakout here, and now the price can go up and we can touch again the 0.8080 against Bitcoin, Ethereum. So when Ethereum reversed Ethereum reversed the movement, then all the altcoin follow it. So we can say if nothing happened, then we see a mini altcoin season now. And Ethereum and Ethereum USDT, we have done our trade, alhamdulillah. And how much we have done? 33%, 33.41%. And as I said in my group, always when the price touch here, you have to close at least 50% of your trade. Now you can say, oh, we missed this area. No, you don't miss this area, because I am sure that the price come back here, retest this level, and then goes up. And when retest here the second time, then then many people can think you can think, yes, now is the price dump, but this is just a retest. The price come here and we open again here the rest of 50% what we have closed here again, and then we are 100% again on the trade. But why I said always to close all your trades every time when it touch the take profit, because we can make example. You have opened the trade with $100. The price come here and you close it 50%. That means you earn half of this, 16%. You win this trade. Then the price goes down and touch the entry level, and you close all the trade with the 16% of profit of your whole trade. But if not, the price goes up, retest again, and then we can enter again with our initial amount. That means your amount can be always the same, 100. You have to check if you have closed here with the 50%, how much you have to add more. Then when the price come back and touch this area, you must have a trade again with $100 from here. And then we can look for another take profit zone. But I have to do here, so just write me check the next levels. So this is Ethereum total market cap is in uptrend. It's stable uptrend. That's why I say I see Bitcoin to go easily on 40k. 1 inch. By the way, here you can check the yesterday was just a manipulation. There was nothing happened with the total market cap. If here was a red candle, then you can say that a lot of money goes out from crypto, and that was a stable downtrend. but it was just a manipulation. Was the total market cap is always in blue. That was a positive candle, so that means the money was there. That was just a dump for closing a lot of future trades. Now let's start with the altcoins. And as you can see, we have closed all our, we have done all our top profit on 1 inch. And if you have 50% trade open, then the 50% is closed. Now, no, don't open now, but when the price cross this area, I put the alert, and I will send the alert in group. You have to open the trade when the price cross this yellow area, not now, because it can be that price touch here and then goes down. This is a stable uptrend, but as you can see, the price goes down, and here is a death cross, and on 4 hour we can have another retracement till here. So till when the price not crossing this area, we don't open. So the price has already tried to break this area, the yellow area. So at the moment we are out from here, and we enter again here, yellow area. AAVE the same. AAVE, we have closed all our take profit and does not touch the entry level. So this trade you must have still now, because it's not hit the stop loss. Now what AAVE do? It's come down, break the yellow area, but not retested. Now retest the area, and if the candle close upper this line, then you have to open the rest of 50% your AAVE trade, and we wait till E target. ADA. So our stop loss 2 was here, and I said in my last video, you have to put all your stop loss here. So in ADA, even the movement was yesterday, this movement, it does not touch that level. So that's why I think the ADA trade is still valid. It's very healthy trade. You can hold it, and we can see on 1 day is in very good. Is a bit thin cloud, but ADA, ADA we have a lot of trader inside here. A huge capital coin is that, so that's why I think it goes up till our next area. So we are here 54.97% in profit on ADA. Now the next one is AMP. AMP on daily is looking good. In the yesterday dump, yeah, that you can see dump in the yesterday. The false dump, the fake dump does not do anything. We have the stop loss on entry, and it has not touched. We have closed already the 50%. We have done the first take profit, and now we hold our trade, and when the price cross this line up, enter in the yellow area, we open again the rest of 50% of our trade. ARKM. So ARKM hit the entry level, and the both, see, first one was at least, see here you are safe. You close this trade in break even, so it goes down. The next candle goes outside from here, and we have to check now on daily how is just so on daily. I think I think this is a good uptrend is in the cloud, because when the price is in the cloud is very volatile. So that's why now the price cross this area, retest, now you can open the trade again, and with the stop loss here, and we wait the take profit here 58 41%. So ARK does nothing. So now what we can do, if the price cross upper than this level, the 4-hour candle, we have another 1 hour, then you can open again this trade 50%, but you have closed here. Now better when the price cross this area, this line, and retest on 1.6431, when the price cross this area and retest, and then you can open your 50% trade what you have closed here, and you can update the stop loss here. Here we have a updated stop loss on all our trade. This one 1.3181. AR, so AR, the half trade we open here and half trade here. So what happened, what the half trade we open here is closed, but we have touched also the take profit. We have done here 29.61%. So we have 50% of our trade still open. Now the price crossed this area, again the yellow area, retest, we see the stable uptrend. You can open here again or wait till the price cross here, this line, and retest, and then you can open again this trade, the rest of 50% what you have closed here. The take profit, now after this move we can wait the take profit also here 11.61%. So I move this trade up 77.86. if nothing happened today, I'm sure on the weekend we touch here. So AR still valid trade. ATOR, so ATOR is also is very good trend. And see, yesterday this hard movement, because the movement on Bitcoin was the 1000. The Bitcoin goes yesterday up 1800 and then lose 1000, and that was huge dump on Bitcoin, pump and dump you can say. But you can see here, according to Ichimoku, we have done nothing. Is nothing happened. The price dumped down and then recover all the way. So you have to wait, just keep calm and wait the 4-hour candle, and then you can see where you are. If the price has done something strange, then you have, for example on this trade, if the price was close under this line, then you have to, and the next candle retest it, then you have to close. So you can see we are again on the same place where we was before. So here what you can do, we close here 50%, or what was here, how many, 3, we have closed 33% of our trade on take profit. Then the price curve goes up, retest, we can open again this 33%, and now we hold the trade till the next level. Auction hit our end target, and now we are on this trade 52.68%. so we take an example that we have closed here for how many, 4. You have closed your 25% trade here, because I said in my last video you have to divide in 4 take profit, 100% trade, 25 here close, 25 here, 25 here, and 25 here. So now what we can do, now here you can see the price is going under the yellow line, so that's a bit tricky, but the price has already done the retest also here. So we have to look at one day, and one day tell us clearly that that's just a retest of blue line. The price can go down till here and then goes up again. So at the moment, hold this trade with the 25% profit on and 52% profit on our 25% trade. So auction is still valid. So here is bot has done all our take profits. So check here, we have closed for 23.60% here and 7.56% on second trade. Stop loss is not hit it yesterday even, you can see. Oh no, it's hit it, sorry. See the candle, it hit our stop loss on our second entry, but the first entry is still valid. So what we can do here, on we have to check on 4 hour and 4 hour time frame. If the price cross is upper than both lines, so we can hold our rest of our trade, that our first entry, and when the price cross this line here and retest, then we open the rest of our trade again, because on 4 hour it is still, I think it is still bullish, and on daily too. So we can hold the rest of our trade and we open again when it cross here. Just a second. Okay, so this is a bot. Then the next one is box, and the box we have done alhamdulillah till now 74% profit, and we have still this area. The price can touch here and then goes back, and then we can charge it again. When it retests this area, then we can charge this trade, or if it break now with a huge volume and retest the yellow area inside, then we can open the rest of our trade what we have closed here. So we trade in all safe mode, we don't trade on risk. So here you can see we are not risking nothing now. Why? Because we open here the trade, the price goes up. So I explain you here. We open the trade here, the price goes up, we move the stop loss on entry, the price goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and hit our TP. What we have done, we have closed 50% of our trade, because here was just these two levels. Before I add two more yesterday, we closed 50% of our trade here or here. Now we are with $50 for, we take an example, because here was 54%, we are $154 we have here. Now we close 50%, that is almost $75 we are inside in this trade, and we are going up. Now we close another 25 or 30% when it touch the next area, and then we wait, the price goes down, then we open here the rest of $100, but we have 75, 25 we close again, and then we have $50. Then with $50 we can open again here, and we are again with $100 inside. The price goes up, when retest this area I will give you another stop loss where you have to, but roughly we can have the stop loss here on this line. See, here is a up, so on this line we can have another stop loss when we open again trade here. So now till now we are in very good movement, and we have done already 74.19%, so still valid trade. What have done Bell? Bell, we was not in this trade, because we wait that it cross this area, this line, and retest. So you can see as on my strategy, you are not in this area, in this line, because many traders they open the trade because it has break the very important resistance, but we don't open on break, we open the trade on break and retest. So that's why we are always alhamdulillah safe. BLZ, not open the trade, see, and we have not reached the 9.39%. we save this this amount here. So cake is cake, see here, the cake hit our stop loss yesterday because we was on entry. And now what we can do, we wait here, because you can see here are on 4 hour we have all the signals that the price can go down. So on cake the price can come here. Now, by the way, the cake has done already on daily. I explain you better here. You see, yesterday was an extraordinary dump, and what can help us on this dump? Ichimoku. So Ichimoku, see here, the price yesterday goes fastly down, and again on the yellow line was a lot of buy pressure, and a lot of person they buy here. See, was a huge volume. So retest is done. Now we have to check on 4 hour when the price cross blue line and close a candle above the yellow line. When the price goes above yellow line, we open again this trade. Not now, because at the moment we see a lot of downtrend. So we wait on cake. So the next one is CFX. CFX, we open the second trade here. We hit all the two top take profit. We have done 40% in one first trade, and second trade 21.63%. And we make an example that we have closed the first trade 50% and the second trade 50%. Now we have 50% of first trade. That is still valid because our entry was here. And even if we move the stop loss on here, that we are safe. Now the price going sideways, and I think if nothing happened today, then the price can go up and we can going up. When the price cross this level here, we can open the both 50% what we have closed before. So even in hard dump, see the candle, we are still safe. And here we have now the double bottom. Then the next one is CRO. The CRO, we have done the take profit here 24%. And if you have closed a whole trade is okay. If you have closed just 50%, then you can see the price goes up, retest almost the area here, and now is in uptrend. So when the price cross this line here and retest, then you can open the rest of your 50%. And where all the people was afraid yesterday after the Bitcoin was dumped, my members, alhamdulillah, in our group, all the member was without any stress, because we was on break even and we have done already a bit profit. Make an example, it's happened something, or today happened something, then we close always the trade in break even, not in downtrend, break even. So you don't lose money even there come a huge dump. So that's where we trade always in safe mode, and we was here safe, alhamdulillah, that even the price was dumped, our trade was still valid. So that is CRO. DNX, see here, we open the trade. When the price move up, we move the stop loss and entry as our strategy, and you can see here what has done the price. 8.33% and then dumped, and we close here. Now it I don't see it I don't see is on daily. Okay, on daily this is the level, exactly this is the level on daily. If the today candle close under this line, then we leave it. Otherwise, when cross again this area, we put an alert here. Otherwise, this trade is still valid when cross and retest this area. So you close on break even, and now we wait again to open the This is our first, and now the second entry if it crossed. So dodo touch our first TP. First TP, and then touch our entry price. Then we close it in on a break even. Now here is the same thing. If the price cross the yellow line and close the candle upper here, then you open again this trade. So at the moment, no. At the moment you can wait, because here I see on 4 hour I see the downtrend, but on daily is nothing happen. Yeah, no, in daily is see, this is the key level, the 12.54. You have to put the alert here. You put the alert here, and when the price cross this line, we open again this trade. But we have closed already on break even. So DOGE hit our take profit, and at the moment is still in uptrend, and we have closed if you have closed now here 50% of your trade, and you have rest 50%, so you can see the price when cross again this area and retest, yeah, then we can open the rest of our 50%. At the moment we are 50%, 20% profit on our first entry. So DOT has done the same thing. Here was our second entry, and the first entry was here. So we have done almost a bit profit here. We can see 50% profit here, and then the price goes up, touch this level. We have 50% of our trade here, so we wait the price cross this line, retest, and then we can open the rest of 50%. And now I have to do another analysis for next levels. So the next one is DYDX. DYDX closed our second entry, but in first entry we are still safe. And look, on the second entry you can open again here. See, the price cross up the second line, retest, and now we can open here the second entry too, and we are in uptrend now. On the first entry we are already in profit, and we have took the profit here, almost one first take profit we have already hit it. So we are now on 38% from first entry on DYDX. Safe mode, safe trading without losing anything, alhamdulillah. So the next one is AGLD dumped after it no, not dumped. You can see, you can look here, we have two trades opened here, and we have done a bit profit here and here on this point. Then the price goes up 68 and 100%, and what is has done as more safe than this, I don't know what is. See, the price goes down, boom, and retest the yellow area, because it has not done here. It was too much hyped up, and then goes down, and now is moving upside. So if you are still in this trade, you have to wait that it's change at least 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, when this line goes upper than candle, and here the both line goes upper than cloud, then you can open again this trade. So Ichimoku is very valid indicator. You have to learn this because it is very powerful indicator, and is the only one that forecast you the future. Because these line, I make a course and I explain you that these lines tell you where the price can be in next 26 days. So next one is EOS. EOS dumped again, but it dumped again, and if now the price cross and it hit our stop loss, because our stop loss was here. Now our trade is closed. Now we open again the trade, the whole trade, when the price now close this 4-hour candle close upper that this line. Okay, so at the moment we are we are out from this trade, and we open the next candle retest. So this line become our magical line, magical or a hated line. So now the entry is here. Always guys, I suggest you to wait today till 16 o'clock 18 o'clock because of this news. Better waiting, because there, if come this news negative, then the market can dump hard, and if this news come positive, then the market can fly a lot. Because if they prove the ETF, we can soon not just 40k, we can see soon the all-time high on Bitcoin. Someone asked me what is ATF. So ATF is as at the moment we trade Bitcoin and altcoin on the exchanges that is just for cryptos. So ATF is that's a simple way I can explain you. The Bitcoin come in stock market, then there is a security that nothing happened. The Bitcoin become a secure stock that you can trade in normal stock market too. And many of big traders and many people, they don't want to enter in exchanges like Binance, KuCoin. You know what has happened with FTX? A lot of people lose the money because the exchanges was not trustable. So when come the ATF, all the people, they can trade the Bitcoin like gold, like Apple, like Facebook, like same all that stocks on the normal market. And this will be a huge step for the Bitcoin. And I think after this is approved, there a lot of trader comes in Bitcoin, and that's why the Bitcoin can fly after this movement. So Phil, we close our trade 50% on first take profit, and the price dumped. It has not touched our entry area here and here, the both sides. It has not touched. That means we have 50% of our trade. And when the price cross this line and retest, we open the rest of 50% and then wait till here. So Phil is safe. Check. Again, our strategy was super. Yesterday dump, the price comes down, but we were safe because we have stop loss here. The price does not touch here, goes back, and now it crossed the yellow area, and that's the second. I have to do some modify. So we can open here again our 50% of our trade, and now we are 100% again inside here, and the next take profit is here. The next take profit is here. put an alert, and the what you can update your your stop loss, and the stop loss updated is here. So FLM, we have next target. FLOKI, even a meme coin, even a meme coin does not touch our entry level, and we was safe. But the meme coin at the moment on the daily is still safe. Why I say this? Because you can see on the daily it is upper than our yellow line. When it close under that yellow line, then it's in downtrend. But till now is just retracement. So we hold this trade with the same stop loss, and we wait till next take profit. And we have done already 98%. And if we do with this trade here, we have 151% on spot, guys. You have to remember on spot, because I can say you 90% of signal provider groups in on Telegram, Twitter, everywhere, they show you the profit in future trading, not on spot trading. If you find me someone who provide you the signals on spot and give you so much profit, please send me in group. I want to see them. And our group, alhamdulillah, is doing very good, and our profit is on spot. Then the next one is flow. See, strong resistance. My line was there. No, sorry, it hit our stop loss yesterday, because our stop loss was here on entry. We close it in break even. We have done already first take profit. So what we can do now, you can open again this trade. You can open again because it's upper than resistance. So what we can do, the stop loss where we have the stop loss we have here. Okay, now you can open again with the stop loss on this line. I give here another stop loss. Okay, see, the next candle is just retested the strong resistance and then goes up. So on daily is okay, it's perfect, is in uptrend, but is in range at the moment. So FTM in yesterday, stop loss 2, entry 2. So on FTM I give another entry on my last video, and that was not confirmed. You can see here that the price was not a break and retest the area, so we was not in this entry. But on the first entry we are safe. So even the dump was hard yesterday, we still have this trade, and you have the stop loss here. The price comes down, you can sleep good, because if the price come till here, you was just in break even, not in loss, and now again price back and you are again in profit. So that's our that's why I say always our strategy is very good strategy, alhamdulillah. So gas is in full gas. Gas has done our all the take profit, and we take entry. Where we take entry, I don't know where we take entry here, because I don't see the entry point. By the way, for example, if we take from here, we are 239.84% profit. So that's huge one. We have closed, we have took the profit here, and now is overbought. It fly hard upside. So that's why it can return anytime. See, it's a rocket. So I don't know if we can take an entry here, but I see a bit hard. Okay, now the price goes down and break the yellow blue line. So I have to do analysis on this and I check where we can take another entry. I think the price can go back here on E target and then up again. So we have to check when the price is again here on this point. So next one is GRT. GRT is safe on our both trades. So check, we have first trade here, the second trade here. On the both trade we are safe. And the price goes up again. Yes, now is in the candles, but I think yes, I think is just this was just a retracement, and now the price goes up again. So we hold the both entries. We have already the take profit. By the way, this is a strong resistance area, and this is the strong resistance area. But you can hold this trade because you are, even if the price dump, you close it in on break even and put the stop loss on a whole trade even from first entry here. Hook, what happened with hook? We have done two take profit here, then the price dump goes up, we open again, goes up, break even closed, up again, we 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 the price goes up, down, up, and now it has closed again on break even. Now the price is up again. So on daily it is in uptrend and this was just a retracement. So what I can suggest you to open again the trade. Yes, no, or just you can wait, the price cross this area, this line goes up, and then you can close the trade, you open the trade, sorry, not now. ILV, see, perfect lining. In ILV we have done 94% profit. So we have closed here our trade. But now what do the price goes up, break the area, not confirmed, then break again, not retest, break again, retest, and now goes up and down. And I think is in still in bullish trend. And if again the price bounce from here up, then we can open again this trade and the take profit, oh, all the way up 88 we can have from here. From here we have the next take profit here, but I have to do the wave analysis too, because on the wave we must have, because this is a huge area, on the wave I have to find some take profit zones, so I have to update this one too. So I put an reminder, and ILV, so the next one is IMX. Oh, our famous IMX. So IMX, I give the entry here in last video, so it hit the entry point. So IMX I don't see so good. Not really, because if you see on the 1 day time frame, you can see we have make a huge pump, done down, then break the yellow line but not retest, we enter again and we are now upper than yellow line. So I suggest you to open the trade on IMX when the price crosses this line. I put an alert here, and when cross that line, blue line, then we open again the trade. At the moment, wait, because the IMX, why I don't want to open, the reason is that weak. See, this is not normal. This is not normal, this line. So that's why I don't trust on this coin. We have a lot of other, because of we want to play secure, so that's why I suggest you to don't open. So the third entry on ING was not was successful. You can see we have done on third entry how much we have done. Alhamdulillah, we have done on third entry 29% and was almost target. Now the coin is still in uptrend, but we open again. You can open again the entry and the stop loss, but I prefer that you open entry when the price cross yellow line. When the price cross 16.328, then open again this trade. And we have 18. In group, if you are in my Telegram group, I said that the next target was 18, and the 18 is touched. See the psychological level. Now I have to do on ING, I have to do a deep analysis because 18 was a key point. And look from the first entry till 18 we have done 152%, and that's a huge one on the coin like ING, because this is a big volume, big capital coin. So from this level it can retrace a bit because it's too much. So look, it's too much up. So I have to do another analysis on it. So at the moment, don't open any trade on it. Wait. ING. JASMY. See, this is our way to trading. Alhamdulillah, we enter here. Price goes up, down, up, down, up, down. Hit the first entry, and as I said to you before, you close here 50%. The price goes up or down, and then here again 50% you open and the price fry, and now we touched our take profit on JASMY. You find the video where we have opened this trade. I think I have to put here the date next time. 59%, 59.49%. So JASMY make a huge jump. If you are in still this trade, you have to close a bit this trade and then wait that the price close this candle and then retest this area, because it has to retest this area and then goes up. So JASMY, the perfect trade. On Joy, yesterday hit the stop loss on break even, because we was on the break even. The price goes up and we move the stop loss on entry. Now the entry was closed, the candle again cross, retest, and now on the third candle you can open here again the trade. Open the trade and the stop loss is here. Another stop loss is here. Updated. Okay. Key. See, here was my in my video I said that if the price daily candle close under this line, then you have to close the key. Even now in yesterday dump, it has done nothing. We have still saved this trade. LDO hit our take profit, and now we are 40%. Sorry. So pay attention, because LDO does not break the yellow area and not, so that's why you have to close this trade at the moment. Close whole trade, and we open again when it cross this area. I put here an alert, and we open it again, the whole trade, when it cross this area. But at the moment, close this trade. Lena, we are safe. See, yesterday, exactly yesterday, it break, fake breakout, and another break, and this was again fake breakout. So that's why if you follow my strategy, you are safe, you lose nothing. Even the dump like yesterday, the fake dump, link, the same thing, you have to close whole trade here, because when the price does not cross and close the candle outside of yellow area, then you have to close whole trade. We close whole trade here, and we put an alert on this point, and we wait, and we wait. So magic, so the magic was one of that trades with but that was tricky. So why? Because we have done, alhamdulillah, to take profit, and after that our stop loss was here, it hit our stop loss, and the next candle goes up, now retest, and hit our third take profit. So we close at least 2 TP, and now on third is touched already. Now I have to done it. The magic is in uptrend, so if nothing happen, we see a big jump on magic. I have to do another analysis and look for the next support and resistance. So till now we have 25%. Mana done, touched our take profit, see here perfectly, and then goes down and is still safe. Is not hitted our entry level, is not break and retested our yellow area. So that's why we are safe. So you can hold this trade, that what to have 50%, and when you can open now the whole trade, because the price break and retest the area. Now you can open the whole trade. If you have closed the 50% or something, now you can open a trade again, and you can put the stop loss on this level. Stop loss updated on the second entry. This was our second entry. No. Yes. Okay. Mask. So mask is on daily is still valid, on 4 hour is in range. So what we can do, we can put an alert here, and we wait for the, because we have closed our trade already, a lot of our trade here. So that's why I prefer to wait till it cross and retest this area. MATIC has done all our take profit, alhamdulillah. You can see, look here. And now is a bit tricky. I think you have to close whole your trade here, and we wait till it cross and retest this area, and then we open again. So we have done on MATIC 43% from first entry and 30% from second entry, and it has nothing happened yesterday. You can see our entries were far away down. So guys, this trade, now we close and we open again when it crossed this area. By the way, I have to put an alert over here. Okay, at the moment you can enjoy 70% of profit on MATIC. and we are still not in altcoin season. That's a very good performance, alhamdulillah. And what is done here? Does not retest the resistance and near goes down. We enter again when the price cross this area here. So the next one is NEO. NEO hit our entry. Nothing happened. So what we can do now, we have closed the 50% of our trade here and we take profit. Our 50% trade was open, still open, and that is closed on break even. Now the jump was huge and we does not open again this trade. Don't worry, we lose, we leave this area. What we have to do now, if the price cross and retest this area, this is our second entry. So check. We remove this area now because we have done. And on our second entry, where we put the stop loss, we put the stop loss here. We put the stop loss here. So this is our second entry now. But wait till the price cross and retest this area. And then we have a lot of profit here. So NEO valid. NEXO, I give this signal 2 days before and is almost touched the take profit. And what we have, 33% up. Yesterday dump has done nothing on this trade. So we put the stop loss on entry and we hold this trade. Is in very good. Oh, very good. It's in uptrend, and on daily this is not a good view. So check. This is not a good view. When the cloud is so, the price is overbought. So what the price can do, remember these two areas on NEXO. If you on NEXA, if you are in this trade, put the alert on these two area. When the price touch here, close your trades. 50% here, 50% here. Okay, go out from this trade, because I'm sure that the price goes up, touch this area, and then fastly it retrace. So the next one is NEXO. NEXO done, and you have to close this trade here, because see, the two candle is closed exactly on the yellow area. So this means the price cannot break and retest this area. This area. So NEXO is still we have to close. We take profit 34% and we close this trade. NKN, the same thing. You can open the trade, you can open again the trade, and you put the stop loss on entry. You open this trade and put the stop loss on entry. PEPE. I have to do fastly because I have to start work. So the next one is PEPE. So PEPE has done another take profit, and we are now on PEPE 37%. Yesterday dump has done nothing. It does not touch our entry price. So we hold this trade and we can close 50% here. We have closed already, and the 50% we open again when the price cross this area and retest yellow area. Then the next take profit is here. PLS double and triple. So the PLS, if cross yellow area down, if break this area, then close this trade, because then this is third try. It cannot break. but as on daily is still bullish, but it can retrace. It can retrace till here on this level. The price comes down and then goes up again. If you have done the take profit a bit, then you can hold this trade on entry level and wait. By the way, we are 122% on PLS. Valid. This is again valid. When the price cross M and R level, that's 21.270, then open again this trade, because it hit the stop loss. Open again from here the trade and put the stop loss on entry again, because it's a far away from stop loss. Not put the stop loss so far. When the price cross, retest this level, then open again the trade and put the stop loss on this side. RNDR. Oh, RNDR doing. See what I have done. It has closed. It has touched yesterday exactly our entry point. So don't worry about it. Now wait the second entry when the price cross this level. I put an alert and we open again. So that's why I say, guys, every time when the price touch take profit, close at least 50%. So if you have closed here 50%, now you are on break even, and we can trade again. We can open again the trade. We are here inshallah for this. So what have done the rose? 78%. Nothing happened on rose, nothing. And this was our updated stop loss, and it is not hit yesterday in yesterday dump. So we are safe on this too. Okay, then the next one is RUNE. Perfectly, RUNE goes further, and 108% from first and the 60% of second. Check next trade, but we open already the next trade where I said in video, then when the price cross and retest this area, open again the trade. So crossed, retest, up, down, now break, fake breakout, and again we open the trade. We have opened the trade and the trade now crossing upper side. So the next take profit is 4.600. SFP. Nothing happened yesterday with the SFP. We have done already one take TP, and now you can open. No, you can open here another trade, and the rest of 50% what you have closed here, here on the take profit, you can open when the price cross this line up upper side, because on the daily is stable uptrend. It just was a retracement. SLP hit our end yesterday. Hit our this trade. I don't suggest you at the moment, because if yesterday hit your stop loss on break even, then wait at least this point. We can open again the trade here. Okay, the next one is SNX. Yesterday nothing happened. You can see that is just retested the supports and resistance yesterday. So this trade is still open, and we have done 2 take profit, and I have to check, and you have another one, and here we close the trade, the whole trade. So your stop loss is here on entry level, and we hold this trade till stop loss on entry level, and we hold this trade. So Solana going up, and we are near to touch our take profit. Another on 50 we take profit, because from here can start retracement a bit. So Solana is valid. SUI does not confirm our entry. See, all the candle closed down than our entry level, so it is not valid. And this trade is not more valid. We don't enter at the moment because in downtrend now is on daily is still safe. So we have this point, this point here. Why is not showing in our minutes? Look, this level here, this line, black line, when it cross and retest this line, or better for safe, you have to open the trade when cross and retest this level. So I put an alert on it, and I alert you on the group. TLC, nothing happened also on this trade. TRB hit our entry. So see, we took a first take profit, two take profit, and then the price dump and hit our entry. Now the trade we open again if cross and retest this area. So the next one is TRX. TRX also does nothing, and now you can open again this trade. You can open again this trade, and where we have to put the stop loss. We put the stop loss here. Let's check better. Yes, we put the stop loss on here. 3.96% is nothing. So this is our entry, and take break, retest is done. You can open here the trade, and stop loss is on this point. Stop loss. So TRX, we open again a trade. TVK, nothing happened on this trade too, but it crossed now the yellow area, and we have another yellow area here. So the stop loss on entry, and we hold this trade. TWT, nothing to do, is downtrend. Don't open it. Why I said this? Because you can see the price cross the yellow line on daily, and the next candle going down. So this trade we have done at the moment. We can check it again when it crossed this area. UNFI, not retested the area and is going down. So UNFI not. We put the alert here, we have already, and we remove it from our list. VRA still valid. Entry on stop loss, and look at here how much we have done, alhamdulillah, on this trade. 60.88%. Stop loss on entry, we have updated the stop loss here. Entry was here, the stop loss, updated stop loss we have here, and now we wait. XM done all the take profit. See the wick. This is the very good point. So whole trade was closed here, and now what we do, you can open again the whole trade. Where we open, you can open here, and you can put the stop loss here, but I suggest you to open the trade when after wait till today candle is closed. No, not today candle, sorry, the news. Hold the news, that today news is very important, till 6 o'clock, and then you can open again trade here. I put here So XRP has started the retracement. So we have done the take profit. Yesterday move has not done anything. So you can still move the stop loss on entry, or better is when you move just the stop loss on upper side a bit. So move the stop loss here. What we have here, 3.47%. Not because it can retest this area, and if just retest and we have stop loss here, then it close the trade. So what we can do, we put the stop loss here, 3.47%, and we wait. We still hold this trade. So the next one is YGG. So check how powerful were our stop loss yesterday. The price comes down, dump hard, but it has not touched the stop loss. So we hold this trade again, and the take profit is here. So YGG is valid. FTT, yesterday I gave this trade, or see, Alhamdulillah. This was too much pumped, and yesterday I give the signal here, and the price goes down, 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 and then cross, and now we are at FTT. How much? 81% in one day. In one day, huge jump, guys. You can hold this trade, and we wait till another 98%. By the way, our first entry was here, but I missed it because I have not alert on it, and we open a bit late. But now you can see we have from here to here 98%. 98% from here. Oh, sorry. No. I make a mistake. We are 44% profit because we have to calculate from entry, not from stop loss. Sorry. Now today we move the stop loss now, because see, the first 10 candle break, second retest, and now the third one, when it close the candle, this candle when closed, then you put the stop loss on entry. BCH, nothing at the moment. We don't trade it. We remove it from we have to put here an alert. We have already, we remove it because we have done already a lot of profit. BNT, so BNT is going down. I think it retests this line and then goes up again. So this was the update on all our altcoin and Bitcoin. So guys, remember, I give you all the new entries, and a lot of our trades are safe. Wait till today. Market is closed at 18 o'clock Switzerland time, 6 o'clock evening Switzerland time. When this 4-hour candle is closed, then you can open easily. Closed in positive, because that news must become positive. If there is nothing, is better, because if we have not any news from SEC, then is perfect. Then we have weekend to enjoy the profit, and Monday we start again. And if till Monday the price stay bullish, then we enter in the third area, in the third blue area. See, if we cross the Sunday and Monday candle, if the Sunday candle close upper than this line, then we enter in. We have again some days where we can trade easily, because this is a fear area, alert area, very dangerous area where the price can dump anytime. So hold your trades. Have a nice weekend. I try to do another video tomorrow, because tomorrow I am in journey again, and I try to do try to make an update tomorrow too. But if not, I update all the everything on Telegram. So till there, take care. Have a very nice weekend. Please like, share, and comment my videos. Join me on all my social. My all channels are free of cost. just the cost is just one click. Please do this click, and follow me on all my channels. Take care, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.